Hi, I'm Oz Har Adir. I'm the founder and CEO of Vio.com. Vio is a hotel booking marketplace, which is basically the best way to find hotel deals anywhere in the world. We are an Amsterdam-based company. When we wanted to significantly scale our product team, we got in touch with the Alooba team and shared with them some of the analytics roles we had open and started giving a shot to candidates who came from their pool. And we were very quickly quite surprised with the quality of candidates we would get, how likely we were to offer these candidates a role. I think we ended up hiring 8 different analysts via Alooba in about a year's time, which is quite extraordinary for us because we've actually have almost never used a recruitment agency for any role, definitely not for a data analytics role. Alooba was great success. We would know very quickly the strengths and the weaknesses of candidates, so we knew where to focus our own interviewing processes on. Every candidate that we would get through, we would end up being very capable, so we would know how to filter candidates by their level of expertise already in advance, and I can look back and say guys who've been here sometimes even for 2 years by now, they've all been very capable. We've got, I think, by now 3 analytics team leads who came from that cohort, which is quite extraordinary. Alooba has been our best outsourcing solution by far. It was definitely worth our time and our financial commitment, which has also been very reasonable, unlike certain sources that will claim to bring in you amazing candidates and would ask an arm and a leg. Was never the case here with Alooba. It's reasonable terms and excellent candidates. The Alooba team would know what the candidates are after, what they appreciate, what they don't appreciate, and on the other hand, we would get very clear profile of their technical capabilities. Where are they strong? Where are they not strong? Saves us a lot of validation on our end, and everything we've seen from Alooba was then reaffirmed either in our recruitment process or later on in the work itself. Just to go back to problems we were trying to solve when we engaged with Alooba, it was just difficult for us to find great candidates. So we would end up disqualifying most candidates over lack of relevant skills. And with Alooba, that was absolutely a totally different experience. But I also liked in Alooba, we were able to recruit very international talents. We found excellent people in Brazil, in Russia, in India, or in other parts of Europe. Overall, very global talent, very capable, and very efficient investment of time on our end versus a reasonable cost basis. So it's not for nothing that we've ended up recruiting 8 different analysts or team leads from Alooba, and I highly recommend them. So if you are looking to hire good analysts, the guys at Alooba definitely have an excellent source and know what to do. So I highly recommend them.